Okay, guys, I don't really do electric vehicle companies. I know they're really risky, but there is one electric vehicle company that I am eyeing, and not a lot of you guys probably know about this, as it has, smaller volume, not incredibly small, but I'm looking to get into this one super soon, as I'm in other plays right now. If you're in the Discord, you know what plays I'm in. But the ticker I want to talk about is VLCN. Volcon Inc. This one is due for a big move up. I've seen this one make some outrageous moves. We recently went all the way up to $10, way up in here. We went tumbling down in a very blink of a second. We're at $1. Okay, and if we look at this company here, you can go to the website here. They're Volcon, and I was looking at their press releases. They had a CEO update. What caused this was that big dump was probably this right here, the announcing of a 12 million underwritten public offering on February 5th, which is right, yeah, that's what caused it right in there. And then, they have lots of good stuff here. I'll show you the actual stuff they're selling, but they do power sports in Jacksonville, Florida. This company is actually based in Texas, United States. So looking at that, that's very interesting to see. You can get the overview of the company, latest news, and all that. So if you ever go to the website, you can find everything you need about the company itself here. But let me go to the overview here. Company overview, latest presentation, industry. They do motorcycle, bicycle, and parts manufacturing. But more importantly, now that I see, everything, you can look at the SEC filings too. I see a lot of things that I like about this company. This is electric vehicle company. I have played it before, so I have a little bit of knowledge about how this thing likes to move. As you can see, look, I even had a trend channel. I was trading this before, but when this price, basically what happens with price when it does not touch your EMAs, EMA 5 is your least one that's going to get touched fast. And so basically what happens is price comes away from this EMA. Like for this 5, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then you see price come back up to it. But we want to make sure there's tons of room up to it, right? And we want to also make sure that we have a very low K value. We know that price can swiftly touch this EMA 20 from this low to here. Look at that 246% return. We know that's very possible. Everything in price history is going to touch your EMA 5, 10, and 20. Um, and I'm not saying like, to get in right away or, you have to make that decision, but I am watching this and seeing like, hey, we just got that. We had some, that public offering, right? And they will be able to fund operations into 2026. This looks like a more of a solid bounce that could happening. You could also see you're kind of like consolidating now. You see how every candle you're going down, but now you're consolidating. Right in here, you have a doji looking candle that means indecision. If you guys don't know about that, that basically means like no bears or bulls were in control this day, right? And it just, when you're in a downtrend, which we are, the EMAs are above the price, that means it could be a deciding factor to change the trend. And and we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 daily candles away from the EMA 5. I usually look for 7 daily candles, but I'm looking to get into this one for a short-term bounce. As we see right in here, we have a K value on this candle of 1.94. And if you guys know anything about my system, you should be like saying, holy moly, that is extremely low. You do not see ones at all. It's just it's not rare, or it's very rare. I mean, anything below 3, is something that is on my high radar. So this has 500,000 volume. The last day had 700,000, a million. So it's not like it's terrible volume. This is something I can work with. You can look at the 1 minute candle and kind of see how it moves. You're going to have some little spotties. If you see this, that means, this stock don't have like, outrageous amount of volume. And that's the first thing you see. If you see this little spotties, that's basically what that means. So I'm liking this out of all the electric vehicle companies for small caps. This is actually one of my most favorite ones. I was doing some research. I like what they're doing. I like their products and all of that. It looks pretty good here. This looks like a solid return here. When I make these videos, I try to get you guys in early. I'm in a lot of other stocks, and like I said, I don't want to hold a lot. There's so many opportunities to get everyone in. You can't trade them all, okay? And if you just looked at this EMA 5, you're looking at almost a 30% gain. That is your first term target. This has been known to explode up to the 20, which is 130%. I'm not saying to aim for that because keep in mind this can go down every day. So I think this is really good. I think this is really good, for a very short-term bounce. I've been talking about this in the Discord, and I've been saying, hey guys, VLCN is looking really close. I'm looking to get into this one. I'm in some other plays though. If you're in my swing trade alerts, you can read everything that I'm in. I'm gonna not everything works exactly how I want it to be. That is trading. In some stocks that I get in, they make fast moves instantly. Some stocks, when I don't get in, they take their time. There's not $1 million strategy that can make you rich overnight. But I will say this strategy works. It catches precise bottoms. And if the more videos you watch of mine, you'll understand like, oh, this is a really great idea to how to catch bottom reversals. We look for a low K value. We look for time distance away from the EMA 5. We look to see if there's a gap. There is a gap here, so this could take more time necessary, but I'm looking, and I will alert this when I get in. I'm not getting in right now, but I am telling you guys this is looking very attractive. We've seen that we hit this low upper ATR4 here. We went from $10 all the way to $1. I think this is justified. I think this is overreaction, and I think this is going to get a nice bounce. Okay, so a lot of the low volume plays can make the biggest moves, because think about it. When there's low volume and you put lots of buy volume in that overruns it, that's when the stock can just get running. Whereas if you have like a lot of volume, it's hard to move it. You can't move a stock like Nvidia, a lot, because it's a bigger cap stock that has lots of volumes of bulls and bears fighting each other out. So this stock can get really going. I'm looking at this one, and I'm going to alert this one very soon, but I will let you guys know, and I'm going to try to get you guys the most precise entry when I do. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, though, this is your chance to do it. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below in the description. If you're hating VLCN, maybe you got in way up in here, and then they did this offering. I never buy up, I never buy when price has EMAs above the price. Like, for example, if you have an EMA 50 here, EMA 20, you only buy for an uptrend when the EMA 50 is at the bottom with the 20, okay? I only buy when price is below the EMA 5, and I give it that time distance to avoid that falling knife, and you look for the low carry value, and then you also look for consolidation pattern. We're seeing all of that right now for VLCN. It looks really nice. It really does. So it's impossible to get the most precise bottom, but I can get pretty close to it, and that's what I want to teach you guys. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below. It'll take you to my Discord. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, it's not going to cost you guys a lot. You guys are going to make a lot of money doing this, and you can do this on your own and understand, like, oh, I'm watching, I see this. I understand why you would take that. I like to have a max of 2 swing trades of small caps. I don't like to hold like 5 to 10 positions, because when the market is nasty like it was today, a lot of the times it takes everything with it, okay? We had CPI data today. SPY dropped like 1% in a blink of an eye, and over time it did recover, but you don't want to put yourself in a bad position. I always say for bottom reversals, you accumulate these things. Once a day you accumulate it, and if you watch my videos, my swing trading education videos, you'll understand how I accumulate. But if you guys want to join the Discord, click the link down below. All you have to do is hit day trade alerts right here, and you get access to everything. And get this, for an extremely low price of $12 a month, you can get access to everything, okay? I'm going to do this for special discount. I know a lot of people are charging outrageous amounts, which I think is insane, and they still don't have a winning strategy. They don't teach their members how to trade. It's just a signals group, and everyone just gets in right away, right? I don't tell people like, hey, VLCN, buy it here, and you guys just trust me on everything. I want you guys to know why I'm taking this trade, how to accumulate, and understand the purpose of the strategy. Because if you guys just blindly follow me, you will lose money. But if you know how to trade the system and you have proper risk management, you will make money, be successful. These are the 2 strategies I do as a full-time trader. I have a day trading and a swing trading strategy. This is only the strategies I need. I keep it simple, keep it basic, and that's all you need to do. People overcomplicate trading. I think it's best to just keep it simple. So hit day trade alerts. You get access to everything. It's only $12 a month. I think you guys are gonna love it. You can cancel anytime, but I promise you guys are gonna learn some, and you're gonna be a part of a nice community. You're gonna have swing trading education, day trading education, live streams, stock suggestions where I like to put stuff, other members put stuff where sometimes I don't see things, and I'm like, yeah, that's a good setup here. please read how to subscribe. If you do, like I said, just hit day trade alerts. If you are on an Android, subscribe on your computer to avoid the IO or to subscribe, because Androids are having problems, or you can use your phone's browser. But if you do subscribe, it is best on the computer and you avoid the iOS feed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is my favorite small cap EV electric company, VLCN. I like their products. I like what they're doing. I can see a big explosive move up due to all this that I'm seeing. And in the past, if you look at my strategy in the past, this is a recipe for a pump. So let's see what it does. Short-term target, EMA 5. Make sure you have this on your chart. There's a video to set it up in the swing trading education called Indicator Setup Tutorial. All right, I'll see you guys in the video, the Discord if you need help, and let's make some money together. Peace out.